And according to him, 92% of the, more than 98% of the cadets will get failed, will not go through, they will not sail through the selection process. Could be psychological tests, should be the exercise or other the tackles which we are going through them. They cannot just address in one or another manner, or lack of English education or whatever the reason is. The success rate is just 2 or 3%. So when the cadets rates are required, nearly a lakh of people, hardly 1 or 2,000 is being selected in a year, which is a very amazing thing. When he said this is the potential for the Karnataka and for the southern India actually, for the services selection, only the North Indians are getting elected because they come from the defense background and their parents or someone would have nurtured them in going through this line. So when this was a thing, we did inquired and we introspected and interacted with General Bakuni Saab. He said he was in the service. He said, if you are going to start, after retirement I will come and join. So we took it as a challenge and we prepared whatever we have. What we have here is only a clean atmosphere. We cannot have a commercial, this is not a commercial thing, wherein it is not like a regular engineering college or medical college where you require the classrooms and things like that. Here the basic, the setups are required. Of course, we have got a very poor infrastructure as of now. We are just beginning, we are young. By the time we wanted to expand, the COVID came and we were all in difficulties as everyone has faced. But even that time, General Bakuni Saab, he picked up his moral courage and boosted up, he didn't give up. He started the online classes and he saw that the cadets should go through this task forever. About 64th batches we have completed nearly. And in this difficult situation also, now we are seeing the full scale operation now. The full batch is there in the field. I am sure that this academy will go miles away and it will go to the very good facility which will help the cadets in the future to come and join the services. Not only that, the person like Babu who has inspired not only this institution, he has been very close to the service sector, so, I mean services, army, armed forces, whether it be army, navy or air force. He has got such a close nexus with them and he is so close and he is such a good friend, and they will coordinate with the state government and the departments to give them the better infrastructure and providing them the services. The concept is very simple. He likes, they are protecting us, we should do little service, the humble service. Like that we are all. And Dr. Manohar is also a very knowing person. In his 50 years, or more than 50 years of his career service as an IMA guy, he has headed many organizations including the FICCI, Chamber of Commerce, International Chamber of Commerce and many other fields. Now he is heading his own institutions as well. He has got the greatest experience and really we should have all the experiences of the... So as Kavita, you have done a very good job. In a short time you have brought out this book.
For a general public in the interest of their own career. We have seen number of colleges, number of armed forces institutions. I observed, and our Srinivas Murthy also is a very well learned person, not only in the industrial background and the educational institution background, and the industrial background is mainly was the association president for the state. So normally, as a good friends, understanding is more important in this country now. Most of us, we don't, time servers we call it, some people. Today if I want something, I will go and salute somebody, I will achieve that what I want. Next minute they will forget. They don't even remember. I was interacting with our General Saab when he was in the selection center. How is training the future generation officers in the selection center? First, when I entered in his office, my mind is totally converting one normal person to an officer is the greatest difficult job. The most important, the colleges, when they give you certificate, 3 years course or a 5 years course, it is their duty to make all of you to understand where you are going, where you are joining, how you are going to take care of your family, and all those. College has to be given right from the day one of your joining. That is called college education. Now, what the colleges are doing now, just teaching whatever they can, syllabus is followed, pass करके बाहर भेज दिया है. When they go out, I have seen very difficult to get a job. Very difficult job. Number one is the language problem. Number two, the what degree that you got, engineering or any professional graduation, if you have, you should be select immediately in the place where they vacant. Now, when you go for the interview,
sometimes all the stupidity also that we are doing, certain things that we are failing in, they don't make sense at that time. But in future, it does. When I was in standard 9th, I used to go to doctors and I used to ask them to give me their neurology book. And my parents will tell me, why are you not studying your own thing and you are into all these things? And I will just argue like always. But when I started writing this SSB book, so I never thought that I'm knowing these neuroscience things and all. But when I started writing, they all started coming to me too. And while I was writing the book, even though I was a writer since I was in standard 12th, everything was going very good. But I never knew what I wanted to do. It was just 8 महीना हो गया, salary आ गई, खत्म हो गई, फिर next month. But while I was doing these things, I realized so many things about me. Like when I used to take classes also, so we have ki
in the armed forces. The simple reason was, guys, frankly speaking, as Mr. Babu correctly told, I am from a remote village of Uttarakhand. Had wanted very keenly to join the armed forces as an officer. Tried my best. But unfortunately, those days, there was hardly any kind of guidance available. Can you believe it? So, even during that time only, I had made up my mind that one day I am going to do my bit to ensure that the future generation have a wonderful training. They are guided. And that's the reason the selection system really attracted me. I really loved the selection system. And that's the reason I became part of it and learned the art of selection and did the tenure in the highest position as the president and commandant, and that is what is helping me. So guys, I have only one message for you. You know what is that message? Can you believe that whatever I dreamed in my life, whatever I visualized in my life, it always happened. It happened 100%. Can you believe it? And so, my message to you is anything which you purely, distinctly visualize and see with your eyes closed, happening in your mind, it will happen. Somehow, I don't know what is the science, but it happens. I thought of joining the army, I joined. I thought of becoming an officer, I became. Can you believe it? As a young captain, I thought of becoming a major general. I regretted later, yeah, I thought I should have thought of becoming a general. I thought of only becoming a major general because I liked the rank, major general. I thought it is a bigger general than anybody. So major means big and general means, you know. So I thought I will become major general and I became only major general. See this? So, but I was extremely satisfied because that was my goal. I used to go my village people used to ask me, Saab, aap kahan tak banenge? Can you believe it? I was a captain. I told them major general and I became major general. And after that, you know, the dream was and loved, the second thing I loved was teaching. And I thought of becoming a part of the selection system. I became. In the army, there were numerous things I can't. Can you believe it also? there is a big militant in our area in Puch Rajouri district called Sher Khan. I dreamed that man, I will kill him. I killed him along with two others. You know, it happens. It happens. And in Sri Lanka, the same thing happened. And it is written in my diary. Kavita is now following those notes. The second book, it will be mentioned. And the area commander of our area, Sulakshan, and I was after him for 3 months. And finally, we killed him along with his bodyguard. So it happens in army. So